Federal prosecutors filed a motion to restrict former President Trump from making comments about witnesses, lawyers, and judges in the case surrounding his alleged attempt to overturn the 2020 election. Special counsel Jack Smith's team says a, quote, narrow, well-defined order is necessary to preserve the integrity of the case. Prosecutors write that the former president has repeatedly and widely disseminated public statements attacking those involved in the prosecution against him. Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully. Joseph, I've got the filing right here, and I just want to draw your attention to some of the language so we can better understand it. On page 13, it says the government proposes two narrowly tailored orders. What does narrowly tailored mean in this context?
So narrowly tailored is a legal phrase, and it means it doesn't do more than it absolutely has to. So if you're going to put restrictions on somebody, especially about something very important, constitutional rights, if you have to restrict it, it has to be narrowly tailored.
So I just want to go a little further into the filings because it gives some examples. It says prescribing extrajudicial statements by any lawyer, party, witness, or court official. That sounds pretty broad, though.
That's actually pretty common within jury trials. The concern is that the judge doesn't want the case to be tried in the press. So what they do is they issue that gag order in order to protect the judicial integrity.
So how would this work with a defendant like former President Trump?
Well, you know, I was very troubled by the language in the government's briefs. I think that, you know, that they're attacking him. They're basically saying he can't have a point of view. And it was very troubling to read all of the statements from the government. Normally speaking, judges leave out a defendant in a criminal case, so they can order an attorney to abide by a gag order. They can order, you know, witnesses, police officers, court employees, but they normally stay away from somebody who's charged in a crime.
So what I'm hearing you say is that what makes this motion really stand out to you is that the gag order is applied to a defendant, which is something you don't normally see. Is that correct?
Correct. They're applying it to a defendant, which is very rare. And if you read the language, they're saying that he has no right to comment about the case. And they're saying basically that our case against him is true and that he should not have an opinion that it is contrary to our opinion.
So just a few seconds left here. What are the consequences if this narrow gag order is violated by the former president?
Then he would be held in contempt of court and he could be confined, in other words, put in jail while awaiting trial. He's out on, you know, OR or bail. You know, he has certain conditions, and if he violates those conditions, he could be essentially locked up while he's waiting trial.
Joseph Tully, thank you for your analysis on this breaking news.
Thank you so much for having me.